Welcome, first time ever, into Chicken Farm's own tech corner. I have been waiting so long time to get this new PC, and cause it's so close to New Year, let's make a little 2021 monster PC build video. I haven't done this type of videos ever before, but hopefully you enjoy it. If you do so, remember, hit like button and subscribe channel so you don't miss any future content. Leave also a comment below and tell what you think about my build and what is your next hardware upgrade on your gaming setup. Currently I have two PCs set up, but 2 years old streaming PC is getting old and should replace parts in it, so I just sell my streaming PC and 1 year old gaming PC and build new one. My gaming PC is decent RTX 2070 with Intel i7 processor, but let's build new monster cause we got these amazing new parts recently. To be honest, I don't have any idea which order I should introduce these parts, but cause every part goes inside case anyway, let's just grab parts and show them for you. I don't give too much information about specs, cause you can find those specs from internet anyway. Spine of my PC, aka motherboard, is ROG Strix X570E Gaming. For my setup I need many USB ports, but cause you can have a USB hub, I didn't worry about that. I asked in Twitter what motherboard I should buy and I got this recommendation. I checked it out and seems very solid for my use. Includes Wi-Fi if needed, a lot USB ports, place for 2 different SSD storage, 2 different places for GPU and AM4 socket for processor. And after all, it looks pretty damn good. My usage storage, I picked up Corsair MP510 1TB 3rd Gen M2 SSD. This tiny beast has very nice performance, reading speed up to almost 3500 and 3000 megabit per second writing speed. Big Boys has made some testing, and for normal user after all, it's very difficult to see difference between loading times in games, so that's why I didn't get super expensive monster reading time SSD. As storage, I took just normal Seagate Barracuda 4TB hard drive. Only reason why this hard drive, I have had good experience about Barracuda products, prices nice and very nice 4TB capacity. Pretty sure I will run a long time with this storage space. This is probably part you are very interested about. What is my CPU? Well, it's best what you can currently buy with money. Glorious AMD 5900X. 12 core, 24 thread processor and overclock up to 4.8 GHz. AMD exploded CPU markets with this product and took market leader place, and well, just waiting when Intel recover from this hit. I did some research about coolers. Do I want MediaSexy water cooler or this big chunk air cooler? Well, I picked up this cause based on research, good air cooler is better and cheaper than water cooler, and most cases it's also more quiet one. There is 2 versions from this Noctua NHD15 cooler, this S version with 1 fan and normal version with 2 fans. That extra fan add noise and reduce temp maybe 1 Celsius, so I took this S version to get more quiet PC. Cause I create content in Twitch, making videos like this in YouTube and whole life run around PC, I picked up total of 32 GB RAM. Corsair to 16GB Virgin RAM. Nice DDR4 and 3200 MHz speed. In these, I also have, for me, pointless RPG lights. With this setup, I have easy option to jump into 64GB if needed some point. My original plan was to get 850 watt power supply from Corsair, but cause shipping time for me was few months, I wasn't gonna wait power supply to be able to build PC. So backup plan, I took this 1000 watt Corsair power supply with a 80 plus gold certificate. This has juice to run much more than needed. I think calculator gave 650 watt for my use, so we have few extra watts. On my current gaming PC, I have Be Quiet Dark Base Pro 800 case. And as the name says, it's quiet. It's very quiet and I love it. It's very handy while streaming or record sound and you can't hear case humming. I was planning to take same case for this as well, but cause my GPU is so massive monster, it doesn't fit in that case. So I had to take 100 euros more expensive Big Brother Pro 900. Another thing why I would love this Be Quiet case is that it's 100% modular case. Remove everything extra from inside what you don't need. You can even flip interior totally other side and get glass panel on your side. Example, in my case window is on wall side and I can't even see inside it. But cause flipping can cause some cable management issues, I don't do that. And then, last part of my PC, my crown jewelry, glorious, beautiful RTX 3080. It's made by KFA2 company, which is totally new for me, but we'll see how it works. This 3080 includes extra fan, which you just click on card. No idea will it help with temps, but probably he'll help a little bit more with dust. And it has very fancy RPG lights on it. But cause this 3080 is so massive chunk, sadly it didn't fit in that Be Quiet Pro 800 case. With this build, I was thinking it as long-term investment for company, so I did not think too much about money. I need it in my job, so it must be good. And will last many years. You probably think how much this fun cost. Well, this beauty cost just slightly under 3000 euros, but after it is up and running, it looks beautiful, performance looks good as you can wish. Now I can start running single PC setup and enjoy life without any issues, at least with PCs. Hope you enjoyed this video and tell me what you think about my new girlfriend. And remember also, tell what is your next upgrade for a gaming setup. Thanks for watching and see you later.